And now an exciting quest. We will do all the paperwork for the dormitory. 1, 2, 3, go! At first, we need to sign an application at the Dean's office. I'm studying at the Institute for the Humanities, so I need to sign it here.
Goodbye and good luck.
Take your passport along with a dormitory application, signed at the Dean's office, and go to the head of the dormitory to sign it. After that, you should go to the Student Dormitory Management Office to get a contract for the dormitory and a document you need to get 3 stamps on. It's here. Give the documents to the office representative, sign the contract, and get your document. Done!
Now we need to go to the cashier to pay for the accommodation fees. The NSU cashier's office is located on the first floor of NSU Administrative Building. So right here, I can pay all registration fees. If you've got no cash, you can use a card. It's very convenient. Please do not forget to keep all receipts. It's very important. You have done almost everything. Only the medical examination is left. Let the International Student Support Center know in advance. They will help with an appointment at NSU Medical Center. After your medical examination, a doctor will put a stamp on the document that proves everything is all right with your health.
Now, let's repeat all the steps. We get an application at the Dean's office and sign it. Next, we go to the head of the dormitory and sign it too. Then, we go to the Student Dormitory Management Office, fill out a contract and go to the cashier. We pay accommodation fee at the cashier and then go to medical examination. The doctor stamps the document and then we happily give the document to the head of the dormitory. That's it. And now MJ will tell you how to connect to the internet in your room.